So I will show that one at first. It's an object. If I want to multiply to value, it's like price into like quantity. Then it will be showing in that result. Okay, what is that? It's error to type. Okay, I'll open that one in live server. Okay, so I need to be enter the name Johan. So next is the enterprise. It's 500, and next is quantity. If I give the quantity is 2, and okay, this is the name Johan, quantity, and total is 1000. It multiply by 500 into 2, 1000. Okay, I hope you understand. What the error is that I'm giving that capital letter and small letter difference. That's why it's giving me problem. Okay, so it's solved. I will say you already in that classroom. Please check it. Okay, so yeah, guys, have you done that previous task like festival template? Anyone? Antin is done. Antim is done. But another one, anyone have done that assignment? Okay. Antim ma'am, are you there?
यस सर।
ओके, आपने जो बनाया है वो रेस्पॉन्सिव बनाया या ऐसे ही बना लिया?
नहीं सर, वो रिस्पॉन्सिव अभी नहीं आता मुझे, मतलब मैंने ट्राई किया था बट नहीं हुआ, तो मैंने ऐसे ही बना लिया।
ओके ओके, ठीक है, गुड. So guys, today we are discussing a statement in JavaScript. So statement, we have selection statement, we have iteration statement, and another is like looping statement, jump statement, and exponential handling is there. Okay, we are not discussing that one. We are go to the like statement, selection statement, and iteration statement or looping statement. So what is that? I will show you that. You see my screen, guys? Please in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So guys, first one is statement. We have to discuss statement. Statement. Okay, inside that we have first one is selection statement. Okay. So selection statement are there like if else, and switch case, switch and case. These are the selection statement. Okay. And next one we have iteration statement. So it's for of. Next one is foreign. Sorry, foreign. I already told you that one like how it's work. It will be work like a property and define the like access the value. Okay, by using for and foreign. Okay, and next one we have looping. Looping. So looping statement is for while and while. While. Okay, done. So fourth is like jump statement. Statement. We have jump statement is break, and next one is continue and return. Okay, here the statement we have. Okay, so first one we have to discuss if else. Okay, if selection statement. So first one is if selection statement. Selection. Okay, so in that if selection statement we have other one is there like forward jump forward jump. And next one is second one is like simple decision. Third one is nested decision. Okay. Fourth one is multiple choice. Multiple choice. Then so first one is forward jump. What is forward jump? Forward jump means there is no like else part is not there inside that. Okay, I will give you example inside. I'll go there and I will write inside. It's like forward jump. Forward jump. Okay. So example is that if inside I need to be write condition. Condition. Okay. If the condition is true, it will be in the statement. Statement if it's true. If it is okay. There is no else part is there inside the forward jump. It will be if that condition is not true, then it not return anything. It will be only if the condition is true, then it returns the statement. Okay, this is the forward jump. Okay, so if I talk about like a simple decision, we have else part is there. Simple decision. We have example is that if condition inside we have to write statement to sorry it's if. Okay, so statement true it will be written and next one is else. Okay, the statement if the condition is not true it will be written second one statement false. Then so this is the simple decision statement. I will mark that one in that. Okay, then so next one is that like nested decision. What is nested decision? Means in that we have if else all these things are there. If I written like multiple decision inside that, so I need to write inside. Wait. Yeah. So it's like nested decision. Okay, example is if the condition statement if the statement is true or false. Okay, it will be go to the second one. Okay, wait. If we go to the second one, it's like second condition. Second condition. Okay. If the second condition is true, then it will be if the first condition is true, then it will be goes to the second condition. If second condition is true, then it will return the statement is executed like whatever value I need to print that one statement true. Okay, so inside if I write else part else, so this one is the inner if else condition. We don't have like still now we are not writing anything like out the if else condition. Okay, this is the inner one. So I need to write condition false. Sorry, it's like statement false, or you can write statement false. Okay. So next I close that one. This was the inner part. It's if statement. If the second condition is true, then it will print the statement true, and if the second condition is not true, then it will print statement false. If the second condition, first condition is true, then it goes to the second condition. Okay. If the first condition is false, then it like jump to that else part. It will print false. Okay. The like outer false statement. These are the nested decision. If any doubt, you can ask me. I will give you example with it. Okay, don't worry. Oh, wait. What happened? White. It's dark. Java यहाँ पे फिर से ओके ठीक है यहाँ पे मतलब चलो तो यहाँ ये है nested this is the nested decision. Okay, and multiple choice means we have if else. In that nested we have outer like if else condition and inner if else condition, and in that multiple we have if condition. Okay, then it goes to the second like statement statement condition. If the condition true, statement condition like statement true, statement one is true. Okay, and it will be else if, and you have to write second condition second one. Done. So inside I need to write statement. If the statement if the condition is true, it will print second is true. Sorry, it's true. This was the wrong spelling. And next one, closing that one, right? Yeah. And if you want to write another else if, you can. If you want to close all these things, then you can also condition. Third one. If the third one is true, then it will be the statement true. Okay. Wait. And last one is else. Okay. Statement. It's not like false statement. False statement. Okay. This one is the whole process of multiple decisions. Okay. This is a forward and simple decision, nested decision, and if else. If else if. Okay. If any doubt, you can ask me. I will give you example also. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the all this statement we are in that. Okay, next we have to discuss switch selection statement. Before that, I will show you example of that. Okay, if any doubt, you can ask me chat box. I will show you. I am designing a like login part that I will show you. Wait. Doubts. Okay. I hope you know that all the basics previously. I no need to describe all these things, but I will show you example. I will designing previously. Let's see, we have web design portfolio. In the portfolio, right? Public, and in that login option, all these things are there, right? Sign up, and I need to be, if I login sign up, wait. This one I will create login sign up and login. Okay. This one is the login form I will create previously. Okay. In that I will designing that heavy of that one. Inside we have like placeholder, we have icon inside that, and if that if anyone like forget the password, it will click that particularly, it will go to another page. Okay, I will design the particularly. This is the social media. If you want to log in by using social media, you can. Okay, and if you want to register newly, then you have to click the register here. Okay, and this is the form I will create. If I not enter without entering any value, if I click register, then it gives me error. Wait, show you. Have you have that one? It gives me error. Please enter your name. Please enter your email ID. Please enter your mobile number. Please enter your password. All these things error will come. Okay. So what is the coding? If I show you, wait, this one is the number is like login sign up. I need to open that one in that login sign up. Open the Visual Studio Code. And this one is the some like website I will build it previously. I will show you that one also for your understanding. Wait, I will show you photography one is there, and we have music. Wait, music is that music music calculator college and countdown event. Wait, portfolio job seeker KFC music, yeah, music is there. And hospital I will designing another one. Hospital is the, where is that? Yeah, hospital. So these are the website I will designing previously. Okay, I will show you how it's work. Okay, this is the header part, and this is the like image I will write in the wedding photography. Okay, and this is my source box. Inside we have header part in the social media like icon. All these things are there. Okay, this is the, wait, I will connect my charger. Okay, so this one is the part I will designing. Okay, and inside we have stack like stay in the no. Okay, all these things I will like written the stuff for all this content inside. Okay, these are the image I will divide in three part. Okay, this is the long image, and all these two images are divided into part. Okay, this is the head footer part. Okay, I will designing, and next one is the music one. I will designing that one. So music inside, this is a, wait, yeah, so this is the icon is there. Okay, you can click the icon. We already are linked that all this icon. Okay, I will designing the like music part. It's like if you want to choose any of the particular click the particular image, then it goes to the another page. Okay, so these are the image I will designing, and this is just a like motivational quote is there. Life is one grand sweet, so start the music. Okay, so this one is that footer part. Okay, and another one is hospital. I will design the hospital part. This one, this is the header part, and like nav bar, we have all the nav bar, and we have one of the picture inside. This is the like normal page, not a like not designing perfectly. Chill now. Okay, So I will show you that one. Where is that login part? It's not opening still. Yeah, open. So inside, have you have that one? I will design the CSS part, and I will designing that like JavaScript part also. Inside, I'm using if else. Okay, this is an if else. Inside, have you have that one? If name is defining, I will access the name. Whatever name I will enter inside that, it will be access the name. Document dot get member ID, and like this is the my ID name. Okay, TX name, and like message I already like in that MSG name. Okay, inside if the name is equal like null value, if no value is there, then it will be show me that error. Please enter your name. Have you have that one? It will be show me in the red form. I will write its font color red. Okay, one thing is, you have to observe that one. At first in the parent I will using like single quotation, and inside I'm using double quotation. Have you heard that one? And if you want to like apply double quotation the before, you can. Okay, and you need to be apply that inside the single quotation if you applying like double quotation inside that. Okay, and if like this one, if any of the user is enter something inside that, so I don't want to show any message inside that. Have you used that one? Message dot inner HTML. I'm not like assigning any of the particular message inside that. Okay, so this is the my if else condition. Okay, and another one I will design same things also. Okay, all the same things. This is the my like a function inside. I will designing that all these things. Okay, this one is the if else condition. Have you observed how we are applying these things like in the statement in our like web page? Okay, I will show you another one. This one is that like I will show you like call this. Yeah, it's login page. Login, right? I will open that one live server. Login is there. Great, it's opening now. My login is there. So inside whatever written, I will show you that it's the CSS part and this is JavaScript. I'm not writing anything script file inside that. Okay, I will not giving any condition all these things inside that. I think I'm not applying anything. Okay, this is the one of the like form. It's a sign up form, login form. Okay, if I click here, login inside. If I click register here, it will open another one. Okay, it's like a email slider. Okay, inside if you want to click username and email, all these things you can click, and you can sign up. It will be give me like alert. It's please fill out this form. If I fill out this form, and then if I click this one is a fill out, you need to fill up that one, but you need to write the email because I will write the type is email. That's why it if you want like this form this, but like this is the box one to add the rate. If I give the add the rate, it will be fine. It will give add the rate. Please enter the apart from. If I give Johan at the rate email.com, it will be submitted. Okay, but it's not like giving any of the alert to enter the password because I'm not applying any of the password. That's why. Okay, this is the something I will designing before. Okay, and if you want to use something like a nested statement or like a multiple choice statement, then you have to write like very we are using like a nested statement. If you want to if you enter like something text inside that, okay, then it goes to the like check that you are entering something inside that or not. It will check the condition. If you want to after that the pattern or match or not. Like in that pattern, if I write like name will be in that particularly the 12 character or like 20 character, whatever if I given inside that, so it will matches the same condition. Not you have to write inside that like inner if else condition. Okay, so next thing is that this is the yeah. So if the condition is not true, then it not executed. Second thing, okay, if you not enter inside that one, so it will be not submitted the form. Okay, this is the like something example is that. Okay, if any doubt regarding if a statement, all these things you can ask me, and I will show you a switch, what is switch and how it's work. Because what is the difference between switch and like statement, this if else or like nested or like multiple choice. In that if else, it will be check every condition, because if I write a multiple condition, it's the five condition, then it will be one by one, it will be checks all condition. The first condition is false or true, then it will be, if that condition is false, it goes to out of that. If the condition is true, it will be goes to the down, and it will be check the condition again, and it will be check the second third condition. If the third condition is false, then it will be anything is done. But in that switch, it not check every condition. If the conditions matches to the particular case, then it will be like executed the particular statement. This is the difference between the state like switch and if a statement. Basically, for your like faster, if you designing a particular website inside that, so you need to be like your web page, all these things will be like perform speed or like whatever you know. Okay, so in that situation, if I using like statement like switch statement, then it not like check every condition. It will be check the condition is matches to the particular, what is that, switch selection. Okay, so this is the difference between switch and like all the statement. Okay, wait. Okay, I think no doubt in that. Any doubt guys? अगर कोई डाउट हो तो बोल दो, नहीं तो फिर से अंतिम अंत में मैम आपका जो कल का डाउट था वो क्लियर हो गया?
यस सर।
ओके ठीक है। आपने मुझे सेंड नहीं किए, इसलिए मैंने भी सोचा कि आपका क्लियर हुआ या नहीं हुआ।
यस सर, वो क्लियर हो गया था तो मैंने फिर सेंड नहीं किया।
ओके ओके ठीक है।
सर
क्या
सर वो 1 मिनट।
या कविता मैम आपका आवाज कट रही है।
नाम
अब तो माइक ऑफ कर दिए।
हेलो
हाँ अभी सुन रहे हैं।
सर, मैं कह रही थी कि आप आइएगा HTML पे।
सॉरी।
हेलो सर,
हाँ हाँ बोलो।
HTML की जो पेज है आपने उसे ओपन करिएगा एक बार।
कौन सा पेज, ये लॉगिन और लाइक साइन अप पेज, और जो कि मैं आपको दिखाया जो
सर
हॉस्पिटल,
कोड की कह रहे हैं।
ये वाला।
ये सर एक बार ऊपर से पूरे एक बार स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए सर, क्योंकि ना ये मैंने बनाया तो मेरे में कुछ एरर आ रहे हैं सर, है मुझे।
ओके ओके ठीक है, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, देख रहा हूँ। हो गया। हाँ कविता मैम हो गया आपका, ये एरर कुछ सॉल्व हो गया आपका। कैन यू?
यस सर, यस सर।
ओके ठीक है, अगर आपका सॉल्व नहीं हुआ तो यहाँ पे शो कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि कोई भी उसको किसी को भी पता होगा तो बोल देंगे।
सर वो कर लिया है आपने,
सॉरी।
बस मुझे कंफर्म करना था सर।
ओके ओके, कंफर्म करना था, हो
ओके
गया
सर,
ना अभी?
थैंक यू सर।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। Wait guys, I will show you an example with that.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, do you know anything about the last date of our internship?
Last
Like our end
state,
date? Yes, sir,
end date.
end date. Yes,
Okay
sir.
okay. You can extend that the internship. It's your choice. If you want to extend the internship, then that's better. If you want to don't want to extend the internship, then your like internship will be finished in that 10 September.
So actually,
And
my doubt is that if we are extending the internship, then will our trainers be teaching us some new things, or the same things will be going on again and again?
no, no, no. That your like training will be finished in that 8th or 7th September. Okay. Then anyone not giving any training inside after that, you have to like work in that particular domain or like particular work you have to do inside like career dream education. If you want
Yes,
to give
sir.
the training also, you can. It's an opportunity for you. If you want to like give the training for our new interns, then we are welcome to you also. Okay, anyone if interested to give your like training to the new interns, we are welcoming in that particularly. If you want to do the HR work also, we are welcoming to this one. Okay, so in that extension, if you're doing extension in that particular after that, so you have to work on that. Not like we are not
Okay.
giving any training inside that, because its training is 45 days. We are finishing all
Okay.
these things in that 45 days. Okay, after that if you are extending that all these things, then you work particularly for a HR department or like technical department, whatever. Okay,
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you so much. Okay, so I will show you an example with that, like a username password. It's a simple decision or anything. Wait, I'm designing a new form or a new file inside that. It's like a statement. What has to be inside that I need to write and all these things. Statement STATEMENT, right? It's STA required. Okay, done. So next thing I will designing that one body part. I need to designing that one. So DL, it's data list. Inside I need to be DT, data term. It's the username, user name. Okay, and next thing I will designing a DT. It's data definition. You can call it. Okay, inside I will write input, input text. I will write. Okay, so inside I will give you ID. It's my txt name. You can call it txt name. Okay, and you can be beginning chemicals inside that. So I will designing another one dt. It's the password done. So next thing I will design dt is done, and dt is all the was required. So inside input, it's password. Okay, and id I will give the txt pwd as password. Txt pwd. You can guess inside that. Okay, I will designing all these things. Next I need to be designing a particular button or submit that form or like login button. If I using button inside, I need to be login, and button if I need to give that on click is my event. On inside that I need to write login click. Login click is my function. I will write inside that. Okay. So I want to if that what is that password and like name is incorrect, I need to be print something message inside that. So I will give you a div. Inside I need to be give a particular hash to, it's like heading. Okay, inside the heading I will using id. Id is my message msg. Okay, and this will be aligned to the center. Aligned to center. Okay, done. You can like write it down in that css and also in that HTML. Okay, so we have done that all these things. Next we have to go like JavaScript part. Wait. Yeah, we are creating all these things. Username, password, done. This is a login button. Okay, so I need to create like script. Inside I need to write the MIME type. It's like type text. Sorry, it's text by JavaScript. That's JavaScript. Okay, done. So next thing I will write a function inside. It's function. Okay, inside the function I will write the login click. I will write inside that on event. It's login click. Okay, it's my event. Done. So I will write a object inside that. It's variable user. Okay, user is my variable name. Inside I will write that array of the object. Array of the object. So I need to use the array. Inside the array I will use object. Okay, this is my array. Inside I need to be write the object. It's username. A username. Okay, it's like if I write Johan, it's my username. And next I will write another property by using separated by comma. Okay, it's object now, that's why. So password. Okay, so password I need to write like something Johan at the rate 12. Okay, it's 12, right? Done. So I need to be write another object username, and inside I need to be write a name. It's David or like whatever you need. You have to write inside that by using comma. I will write the password also. Password done, and it's like David. It's David. Wait. Capital David. David at the rate 1. Okay, done. So I think I need to be write that username in the outside of that, because I will access, if I want to access outside of that or inside of that, it will be allow me into that. That's why I will use that variable globally. So I need to write that outside. Okay, this is my global variable. That's why I will write outside of the function. Okay, so this is my array. Okay, array is separated by comma. From that each object, this is the object, this is the object, all this one is the first object and this one is the second object. Okay, and to be access the particular value whatever I enter inside that by using uh, document.getElementId. Okay, variable inside I need to write txt. Its name, you can write its name. Okay, inside the name I will write document dot get element by id, and it's my name is txt name, right? Inside I will write now txt name. It's done, and I want to access the particular value. That's why I need to be write the value. Okay, done. So next thing I will give the password. It's pass. Wait. PWD, if I write PWD txt password text. Okay, it's document dot get element by id, uh, the id of that particular password, this txt pwd. Okay, txt pwd, right? And dot value, I need to be access the particular value whatever I enter inside that. Okay, done. So next thing is I will assigning the message inside the particular variable. So I need to be write that uh, txt message msg. Okay, so by using document dot get element by id and value, so it's message msg. MSG my ID. Inside that I will write the MSG. Okay, this is that. I don't need to be like access the value, particular value. I want to print that value. That's why I don't have to. I don't need to write that value inside that. Okay, then so inside that I will using like for loop. It's for of. Okay, so it's I will add variable inside, and this is my user. User is my variable name. Okay, inside that I will write user, user of user of, need to be write like user of user text, user text, or user info. Okay, user of user info. Okay, I will write inside that. Next I need to write something condition inside that. If user, sorry, it's user, username, user info dot Can you hear me guys now?
Yes, sir.
अब डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ है, कितने बजे डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ? ये वाला 45 पे अभी हुआ या 5 मिनट के पहले हुआ डिस्कनेक्ट?
सर
5 minutes.
2-3 मिनट पहले।
ओके ओके, 2-3 मिनट पहले। अभी स्क्रीन दिख रहा है आपको? कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन गाइस?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैंने डिजाइन किया है, दिस वन इज डिजाइनिंग द इफ द यूजर नेम इन्फो यूजर इन्फो ऑफ यूजर नेम मीन्स द जोहर, and like user info of password means name of that particular password. If that particular equal to that, then it will go to that location href. It's like location, it will go to the particular page. If that not, then it will print the something message inside that invalid username password, invalid username and password, right? Password inside. Okay, so it will print inside its font color red, font color red, RED. Okay, so let's see it's working fine or not. I will write the animation inside that, how it's work. Element, get element by ID, get element by ID, get element by ID. All these things are done. Username of username, user of users. I will write like different. Wait, I will change that. User info of user. What is the name of the variable? User, right? User. Wait, it's access or not? Let's see. Info. Yeah, it's access particularly. Okay, its value. This one is the local. Okay, I will check that one. It's working fine or not. If I enter Johan and password is Johan @1, it gave me, it goes to the like www.google.com. Okay, if I enter something wrong password, then it gives me this error, invalid user and password. I will write another like location. Wait, I will write a location. Inside that I will open a location inside www dot w3sql.com. Yeah, it's coming now. Fine, I will close that one. So this link I will paste inside that. Okay, done. So let's see, I will input inside that Johan and password will be JOHN @12. Okay, if I click login inside that, it will go to that the particular website. Okay, and if that one is incorrect, if I write like Johan inside, if I write JOOHN @12, and if I click login inside that, it will give me error, invalid username password. Okay, and if you write inside David, and it's David @12, right? David B A D V I D, David @12. Okay, it will be working fine. Okay, if you enter any of the other like password username, then it will be getting error. It will give you error. If you write like correct password and correct username, then it not like giving any particular error. It will go to the location, whatever location you are writing inside that. Okay, I hope you understand like how we are designing the particular and how we can like when you click that particular like button and it goes to the second page, or how it go to the, if I like input send password or pin or like username, then how it goes to that. Okay, then how like our data user like database store in that particularly in database by using like object, all the object in that type, all the data are storing in our like database. It's MongoDB or like SQL, you know that all these things. Okay, then the data stored in the database. I hope you understand these things how it's work. If any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. I will give you 2 minutes. Any doubt, guys? If yeah, no, another one, other. Okay, only two interns are there in the meeting. Other one. Okay. So do while and while loop, I will defining what is that, and we are finishing that class. Okay. So sir, please send the code classroom. Okay, I will send you. Don't worry. So for loop, you already know that we have initial value and we have like what is that? We have condition and looping, all the like increment, decrement, counter values there in that loop system. Okay, but you have to compare like while, do while, and while. In that, what is the difference between that? Like it will be in that while it will be passed on as a file. If the condition is true, it will be like print the statement. Okay, if I using like do while, it will be check the condition at the last part. Okay, so that's what is the difference between if you writing any condition inside that. So if I using do while loop, so it will be printed like another number inside that. If it's not like what is that, it is not the condition is not true, then also it's like printed another value. If I like talk about example, if I want to print 1 to 10, and I will give the condition is like x is initial value is 0. Okay, and condition is like x is less than like less than equal to 10. If I give inside that, so less than equal to I will give that, right? So it will be print that 1 to 10. In that do while loop, it will be check the condition, but in the do while, it will be go print the 10 also, it will be print like 11 also. So this is the difference, one like difference is printed. Okay, so this is the difference between do while and while loop, but we are not using mostly in the particular situation of that what is that, Mm, JavaScript. Okay, we are mostly using loop and for of for in. Okay, what is the switch statement? Switch statement means we have like different case system is there inside. Okay, so if I talk about wait, I will show you in that diagram. Mm, inside. Okay, done. What happened? So Swiss selector. Selector. Okay. So inside we have switch, and we have to write the expression inside that expression, and in the expression it will go to that case one, case one, case one. Then it will be go to the print that statement statement one. You have to write break inside that. Break, we are using break jump statement. It's like continue, break, or like return whatever you need. So we have second check case two, and inside you have to write the value whatever you need. Okay, this is the value condition to check, but I need to print the statement two. When you need to use break. Okay, and we have last one is default. default. Okay, so if the two statement are like previous state, previous case not matches, not match, then it will be print in the last one. It will be print print the last statement. Okay, last statement. Okay, then you need to use the break or continue, whatever. So if the expression is matches to the second, like case one, it will print that like statement one. Without checking the case two, case default, it will print. If it will be checked to case one, it will be false. Then it will be checked to the case two. Okay, it's like statement is like false. Then it will print the default. Default, it's like both are matches, not matches. That's why. Okay, this expression we are giving that particularly in condition. If I give that. If I want to print like something color, it's like a traffic color. If I print like what is that, yellow and green, all like what are the color is there, yellow, yellow, green and red. Okay, if you want to print the particular condition, then you have to write that expression, and if the expression is matches the case, then it will print that statement. If it will match the second one, it will print the second one. If that not matches, it will print the default. Okay, what is the break and continue? If I not using inside the break, so it will be continue that all the statement, statement one, statement two. Okay, so this is the continue in that process. So one thing doubt is that, so why we are using a default at the last? May like you think that how we are using, like why you are using inside that? It's not a like a what is that, strict position. You have to write inside the default. You can write default in the first also, in the middle also, it's work fine. But there's a process, we are writing that case one, case two, and in the last it will print. That's why we writing case one, case two, like case three, all these things. Then after that we are writing default. If you want to default in the first one, you can, and if you want to write in that middle, you can. But it's like not follow that like what is that, rules of that coding. Okay, so you have, that's why we are using all these things. Okay, I hope you understand what is the switch case selector, and how it's work, and how it's like a default, what is default, what is break, what is continue, all these things. I hope you understand. If you any doubt regarding, you can ask me. Any doubt, guys? Please let in the chat box. No doubt. Okay. Okay, guys. Give your attendance in the chat box. Then you can leave. Thank you so
Sir,
much. Yeah.
sir, can I ask you something out of today's topic?
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to ask about the responsive web pages.
Mhm.
So, is there any way to make a web page responsive without using media queries?
Yeah, we can use that by using Flexbox and Gridbox.
Yes, sir. I know this Flexbox and Gridbox said that meta tag and all, like something viewport or something. All those things
Okay.
are also
Okay. What
required,
is the
no?
viewport you are asking me, right?
Yes, sir. Like in the meta tag, we generally mention viewport and
Okay. Okay. I
something
will show you
device
that one.
screen. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
This one you are asking me, right? It's that one.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
So we are using that one for like responsive designing also, because the
Yes.
initial scale is 1.0, and with this device with have used that one content, all these things written inside that. So it will be work for responsive designing, but we need to be write like responsive designing by using Flexbox or media query or like Gridbox, all these things. But it is a like help of that device, like device width. If you talk about like what is that, font SM, just the we are using a link inside that to access that particularly. So that's why it's a
Yes.
meta tag. It's help. I already told you that meta tag, what is meta tag, all these things I
Yes,
already
sir.
told you
Yes,
that
sir. Yes.
previously. But in that form, if I talk about like HTTP equivalent, if I want to like refresh the page automatically, then we are using that one. So viewport we are using for like responsive designing also. This is the if you talk about like width adjustment, it will work
Yes,
fine.
sir.
ओके, जैसे if I like अगर बोलो आप जैसे कि मोबाइल डिवाइस में width होता है जो उसका अंदर सेट होगा, और जैसे कि आपका लैपटॉप डिवाइस और लाइक आईपैड, ओके,
Yes, sir.
सो उसके
Yes.
वेट अनुसार वो सेट होता है, तो हम ये यूज करते व्यू पोर्ट। ओके, अगर व्यू पोर्ट यूज नहीं करते तो वो करेगा, बट ये जैसे कि प्रॉपर तरीका नहीं है हमारा। ओके,
Yes, sir. Sir, and also, does Bootstrap have any role in making a website, any web page responsive?
या बूटस्ट्रैप इज ऑटोमेटिकल। हेलो,
Yes, sir. You weren't audible for 1 minute.
okay, okay. So Bootstrap, it's a default responsive designing. Okay, because Bootstrap is built by using HTML CSS. Okay, so it's a responsive
Ah,
designing automatically. If you using like Bootstrap, we are talking about like in that after 2 days, what is Bootstrap and how it's work. Okay, I will told you all these things.
sir, actually, my problem is that in my every assignment, I'm using Bootstrap 3. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, it's audible. Can you hear
Yes,
me
sir.
now?
Yes, I can hear you. So actually, my problem is that I'm using Bootstrap 3 and 4 in my each and every assignment. But still, I don't understand why my pages are somewhat not becoming responsive in each and every device. Like when I'm inspecting, like over there we have like responsive over there, like we can change the devices like iPad, Samsung, something like that. So
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I'm clicking on each and every devices, it is not showing responsive. Like it is being responsive in some of the devices.
Can you
So
send
I'm
me the
having
coding
doubt
part?
on.
I will check that one. One second.
Okay, sir, I'll just send you all those things.
Okay, once I will you
Otherwise,
send
after
me.
you teach this bootstrap thing, I think my doubts will be clear. Then I won't be able, like, I will be resolving it by my own, sir.
Okay, you are using in that like container fluid inside that in the body tag or like any other div?
The container I'm using, but every time I don't use container fluid and all those things. Is that the reason I'm not getting responsive?
हेलो प्रत्युषा मैम।
Hello?
हाँ मैं ये कह रही थी आपका जो डाउट है ना, मे बी एक बूटस्ट्रैप में हायरार्की होती है, लाइक कंटेनर क्लास जो होती है, उसके बाद में हम कॉल क्लास यूज करते हैं, उसके बाद रो क्लास यूज करते हैं, तो वो हायरार्की
वो
फॉलो
सब
करनी
तो ठीक।
पड़ती है।
हाँ, वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन लेकिन वो हर डिवाइस में नहीं आ रहा है रेस्पॉन्सिव। मतलब
हायरार्की में प्रॉब्लम होगी मे बी।
हाँ, मे बी मैं चेक करूंगी कोड, क्योंकि मेरा वो सीक्वेंस सही है, कंटेनर एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, वो सब ठीक है, लाइक लेकिन वही प्रॉब्लम हो जा रहा है, बिकॉज बूटस्ट्रैप से करने से हो जाना चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है, सो आई
ओके।
गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड।
हाँ सर गए।
Okay, everyone can leave now.
ओके।